All right, guys, welcome back. So today I want to talk to you all about how to build a highly profitable personal brand in 2024. So again, it's 2024 and self-education is growing rapidly, making it easier than ever before to make money online. See, new millionaires are being made every single day because of online education and personal branding. There was a quote from Wethos that says, "It was reported in 2016 that online learning in the US alone was valued at $27 billion. And that same report says that estimated year-over-year growth for 2020 was 9.8%. And in 2026, the global learning market would be worth $735 billion. These figures are just for online courses, also called the e-learning market. When it comes to online coaching, there are huge numbers too. Life coaching in the US has an estimated market size of $1.2 billion in 2022, and business coaching is at $14.2 billion. So clearly self-learning, or what Forbes calls the knowledge industry, is on the rise, and it seems like growth is a continuous trend for it. So after going through a pandemic, more and more people began to take control of their lives, realizing that the system was never built in their favor. College, 9 to 5, one vacation a year. Is that really what you want? You know, why would you learn from the college professor with zero track record when you can learn from a proven entrepreneur? Instead of learning from the overweight health education teacher, they're learning from professional bodybuilders. And rather than learning to invest with money management classes, they're learning from the multi-million-dollar investor. So not only is this great for anyone who wants to start selling information online, this is the greatest business model ever. It's highly profitable, it's highly scalable, with minimal overhead and little service delivery, allowing you to live the life of your dreams. You see, the one and only barrier is that information is becoming a commodity, making it easier than ever to acquire knowledge. Meaning you have to find a way to stand out in today's market. But with access to platforms like Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, and many more, attention is more accessible than it's ever been before. So another quote from Backlinko. Worldwide, people are spending an average of 6 hours and 40 minutes a day on screens. And in the US, the average screen time per day has hit 7 hours and 3 minutes. So how do you plan to take advantage of this gold rush? Now, before I dive in, over the next 30 seconds, I'm gonna show you why you should listen to me. Now, not only has this made me $7,500 this week, but I started a solar team and ultimately failed. After doing that, I launched an e-commerce product where I built a brand, and I seen very little success and ultimately failed at that too. That didn't stop me. That led me to starting my own media company, which I can't say did great either. But that, like I said, never stopped me. I moved back in with my parents, and in 6 short months, I was able to grow my online business to 6 figures, all through the power of personal branding, which allowed me to buy my dream apartment, work from anywhere at any time, and ultimately help more people than just myself. See, take Arturo, for example. He was able to collect $21,000 cash collected last month and scale to $325,000 a month with just this system alone. And not to mention, in the last 12 months, we were able to take him from 800 followers to 90,000 followers. And then we've got Michelle. She had no direction. She was working with people that she did not like, to now having complete clarity with her offer and working with her dream clients. And Letitia, who ran a 6-figure agency, she didn't have any direction and ultimately didn't even know where to start, now is working with agents all across the world, helping them build the business that they wanted all along. So now I'm going to show you how you can run the business that you've wanted all along. And no, this doesn't require knocking doors, sourcing products, done-for-you service delivery, or betting on digital coins. It does, however, require a damn good work ethic, patience, and true dedication. Now, if you can manage those few things, I want you to keep watching. You see, there's a lot that goes into building a profitable personal brand, and there's no way that I could cover it all in just this one video. But I have broken down the most important pieces that have allowed me and all of the people who have worked with me to scale. So by the end of this video, you can confidently begin building your personal brand. See, it's a simple process. And first we want to start with profile reconstruction. As you can see, I've got an example right here with a guy named Elegant Copy, Leon. He did pretty okay with his profile picture. You can easily tell who he is. But you want to see on his bio, he does decent at sending people to his link, but ultimately we want to start with authority-driven content. That's what's going to like make people trust you. Okay, I'm currently building Status 10 Incorporated, so whatever you're working on, whatever like brings authority to you, you want that to be your first line. And then you want to let them know what you do. So I create profitable personal brands. This kid does copywriting. So if he's helping people with copywriting, he wants to let them know, I help people improve on their copy, right? And then you want to lead them to your offer. So when you're making your bio, you want to keep it 3 lines. You don't want this to be too jam-packed, but you want it to be simple and straight to the point. So my 3rd line, it says, get in on this $250 billion opportunity, and it's pointing down to my link. So whatever you're trying to get them to do, whether it's, hey, take advantage of this free demo, or click the link below to schedule a call, right? You want to send them to your offer. Also, you can see he's got some highlight bubbles, which are good. You want to make sure that you have highlight bubbles highlighting your profile and like insights into your life and maybe some of your clients' results, testimonials, things like that. But he had a category for memes. Now you want to remember, we are professionals. We want to make our profiles look as professional as possible. This is what we're utilizing to present ourselves in a business manner. So try to remember, keep this professional. I would say if I were him, I would remove the memes. But you can look at the right, you can see this is what a good profile picture, or what a good profile should look like. Here's a phrase from Coco Chanel: dress shabbily and they remember the dress. Dress impeccably and they remember the woman. This doesn't mean that you have to post in the nicest outfits, but what it does mean is that you should always be striving for the best visual quality everywhere inside of your brand. Whether it's in your videos, your photos, your websites, wherever. Your brand's identity is important. And it's how people will remember you. It's what will lead them to buying from you instead of buying from your competition. Now, it does you no good to reconstruct your profile if you do not post content. So, we've all heard the phrase, attention is oil. And newsflash, people care far less about a brand and much more about the person who's building it. So, you have to be posting content, and a lot of it. And I don't just mean boring informational videos. People want the behind the scenes. They want the good, they want the bad, they want the ugly. And they want to see the trips you're taking. They want to see the wins that you're having. And they want to experience life as you. So don't complicate this part. And believe me, it's extremely easy to do. It's easy to want to steal other people's videos and get lost in the ideation process. But the most important part is the message. So regardless of how you display it, as long as you are consistent, authentic, and you believe in your message, attention is inevitable. See, most people try to rush this process, and believe me, the best things never happen overnight. Social media is like compounding interest. 1 person turns to 2, and then 2 turns to 4, and then 4 turns to 8, and eventually 8 is 16, and you get the point. But seriously, you have to be patient. And remember, the more content that you make, the more money that you're gonna make. You see, none of us started out perfect, and I'm still not perfect. But after making hundreds of videos, I sure am a lot more confident. And I'm a hell of a lot better than I was before. You see, now according to Market Sherpa, on average, companies that use social media for lead generation see a 20 to 25% increase in their return on investment. But this would not be possible without a funnel. You see, a funnel has got to be single-handedly the most important piece. You can be bad at content and run paid ads for more attention. You can hire a sales rep if you suck at sales, but you can't take someone from your content to becoming a qualified prospect without a proper funnel. You see, all the gurus are marketing different funnels, but I like to keep it simple and stick to what works. I found that it's not just one system that works, it's the combination of them all. See, regardless of which system you use, the most effective way to turn a cold prospect into a prepared buyer is with a video sales letter. You see, a video sales letter is embedded into your landing page to pre-qualify all of your leads. Everyone wants to claim that their way is the best way, but really they just want to make this entire process complicated. So my goal is to make this extremely simple for you. When I build my funnel, it consists of 5 simple steps. The landing page, which I also like to call the capture page. On your landing page, this is where you're going to get their information, their name and their email, so that you can remarket to them. You can run retargeting ads, you can send them email campaigns. Whatever it is, you want to gather the data so that you can always continue to remarket to these people. Now for me, I'm offering a free demo so that you can learn how to build a personal brand of your own. All right, this is an opt-in page. I get their name and their email, and it sends them to my VSL page, which here is a video sales letter, which basically covers who I am, what I do, how my offer can help them. There's a bit of social proof, testimonials and things in there to show them why this would be a good fit for them. All right, so then we have a button here for them to schedule a call. At the end of my video, I always prompt them, hey, book a call, I'll see you there. And then it takes them to a booking page. So this is where they're going to book, this is where they're ultimately going to book a call with you. They can pick between Monday to Friday, whatever days work best for you. But I like to keep testimonials at the bottom of this page so that as they're making their decision, they've got something to help them back their decision, right? They see other people who've had results. They're seeing other people that have gone through this, and now they are confident that the decision they're about to make isn't only something that will work for them, but has worked for others as well. After they book a call, it's gonna take them to what I like to call a pre-qualification form. So in here, this is gonna be any questions that you want to ask your prospects before they get on the phone. So for me, I wanna know their Instagram handle so that I can look up their personal brand beforehand, see if they've got any followers, see if they're doing anything content-wise. I also mainly work with people who are doing $10,000 a month or more inside of my mentorship. So if this isn't you, I send them back to watch their free training. Also, I'm asking if they're a coach, a consultant, or if they sell info products, or if they run an agency, because if they don't, I don't want to work with them. But you get the point, right? You're asking them pre-qualifying questions that are going to lead them to the sale. And then once they do that, it's gonna send them to a thank you or a preparation page. So here, you're congratulating them, you're saying, hey, thank you for booking a call, but I wanna prepare you for what's about to happen. Please don't ghost us on this call. Please make sure that you're here, and if you have to reschedule, let us know. And you do this to make sure that as these people book a call, you're not getting ghosted. You're not having time filled on your calendar and nobody's showing up. So this is the 5-step funnel. I'll go back. We start with the landing page, the VSL page, the booking page, the pre-qualification form, and then the thank you page. So it's a 5-step process. It's super simple. If you need to, go ahead and pause this or go back and pause it. But this is the 5-step funnel. So if you do these 3 things, right? Optimize your profile, post a ton of content, and implement this funnel, you're guaranteed gonna have more business than you know what to do with. Now here's the thing. I've been learning and applying these things for the last 2 years, and I've gained a lot of knowledge and a lot of insight. And I've made it my main priority to build a group of highly driven entrepreneurs, all focused on developing and scaling their personal brands, which I like to call Status 10. Which includes weekly growth consulting calls, live masterminds, lifetime access to all of my exclusive written and video insights, and for our members only, exclusive entrepreneurial escapes to places like Santorini, Greece, Ibiza, Spain, and Dubai. So no matter if you were just starting your online business or you were simply just aiming to take things to the next level with your personal brand, we've got what it takes to grow. And if you just want to fast track your way to success and be a part of an awesome culture and a community of people who love what they do and ultimately be a part of an experience that you're never going to forget, I want you to click the link in the description. I want you to book a call with me. We're going to talk. We're going to see if this will be a good fit for you. And if it's not, it's not. But the worst that we can say happened is we tried. So I'll see you guys on the call. And if not, go ahead, check out some of my other videos. I appreciate you guys for watching this video. And if you liked it, go ahead, subscribe, follow me for more, and I'll see you guys in the next video.